Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to blossom. Blossoming is about unlocking your full potential and achieving personal fulfillment. It involves a journey of continuous growth, where you identify and develop your unique strengths and talents. We will explore how to cultivate a mindset that embraces challenges and transforms them into opportunities for learning. This process requires consistent effort and a commitment to self-improvement, leading to a more vibrant and purposeful life. To truly blossom, embracing a growth mindset is fundamental. This means seeing challenges not as obstacles, but as valuable opportunities to learn and expand your capabilities. Believe in your inherent ability to develop new skills and intelligence through dedication and hard work. Actively seek out constructive feedback, as it provides crucial insights for improvement. Remember, every setback is a chance to grow stronger and wiser, propelling you forward on your path. Setting clear, achievable goals is a vital step in your blossoming journey. Define objectives that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound to provide a clear roadmap. Break down larger aspirations into smaller, more manageable steps, making the path forward less daunting and more actionable. Regularly review your progress, perhaps every 2 weeks or once a month, and be flexible enough to adjust your strategies as you learn and grow. Nurturing your overall well-being is absolutely crucial for sustained blossoming. Prioritize your physical health by ensuring you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, maintaining a balanced diet, and engaging in regular exercise. Cultivate strong, supportive relationships with friends, family, or mentors, as their encouragement can be invaluable. Remember to practice self-compassion and celebrate every small victory, recognizing that growth is a continuous, evolving process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.